Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Welcome to the Autodesk Inventor Assembly tutorial. This is the first video with many tutorial coming in later, and this video will show you how to draw every component step by step. So let's get started. This is the assembly that we are going to do, but in this video I will only be showing you how to draw the bench vise. This is the schematic of the bench vise. So make sure you can refer to this from time to time to ensure that you are having the right dimension. And before you start your drawing, as usual, please be aware to change your unit from inches to mm. So let's get started. Select the XY plane and select rectangle. And the dimension should be 144 by 16. And then additional line on the left hand side of the drawing. Just draw them randomly. Then after this we'll be using the dimension function to assign the correct dimension to the drawing. This is 10. This one to over here is 16. This one to over here is also 16. And the top to the center or to the bottom is 36. And then trim. Select trim this part. And then extrude the drawing with the value of 64. Select OK. Move to the right view using this cube over here. Click the right view and then right click at the bottom part and select new sketch. Start with the center line. Start with the center line. And categorize this one as construction. Select circle and draw a circle of 16 diameter. And the distance of this circle from the center to the top is I think it's better if you can make it from the bottom. Dimension, this one to the bottom is 36. And then click circle, create another circle with the same origin, which is 32. Then we zoom out a bit. And create a line from the center going upward. And also categorize this as construction. Make sure you properly select the line and select construction. Otherwise, it might be cause you problem later on. And then this circle, you want to make sure that the color is black or fixed. So click apply. And this one, try again. Okay, I think it's already fixed. And using the function line, from this construction line, take it down to somewhere over here. Select OK. And then using the function dimension, the angle between the solid line and the dotted line should be 25. And press enter. And then using the function constraint, select tangent, select the line, and also select the circle. After you select both component, you can see that the icon over here appeared, meaning that the line that we draw earlier is now tangent to the circle with this 32 diameter. Using the function mirror, select this line, select mirror line, and then select dotted line and apply. So another line appear on the right hand side of the drawing, and then select line from this side to the intersection, and opposite also the same to the intersection. Select OK. And then using the function trim, we remove the unwanted lines. And then using the function fillet with the 3 radius, click this line and this line, this line and this line over here. So select the home view. Make sure that the sketch that you are having is at the front of the right hand view. If you draw the sketch at this surface, then it will cause you a bit difficulty to ensure that the extrusion fall at the right place. And then select 3D model, select extrude, and select this surface. You can see that the direction of the extrusion is on the wrong side. Click the direction, flip, and the length is 22, and select OK. Now right click at this surface again, the right side view, and select new sketch. Again, as usual, to make your drawing easier, always start with the center line. Right click and categorize this as construction. And then what we want to do is that we want to sketch this one, and we want to cut at the bottom part of the vice body. So select the function line, and you should start over here. Move your cursor, do not click it yet until you reach at the dotted line over here. Go to the right, the value should be 8. Press enter, then go down. I believe the value here is 9. Press enter. Okay, it's a mistake over there. Undo, escape and undo. Line going down, which is 9. Press enter, and then going again to the right, which is 8. Press enter, and going down until you reach the bottom. Right click, select OK. Using the function mirror, select these 3 components and select mirror line, select the construction line, and click apply. Click done. Make sure you complete the shape so that you can cut. Right click, select OK. So isometric view, 3D model, click extrude. Again, the direction of the extrusion is on the right side, is on the wrong direction. Click this flip, and you can see that the direction of the extrusion is cutting through the body, and we want the cut to be all the way. So this one, select through all, distance through all, and then you can see that the cutting is going all the way until the end of the product. Select OK. So we are almost done. It's just that if you look at the schematic, there is this dotted line, and there is 4 of this. 4x meaning that there are 4 components of this one, of this circle, with the diameter of 6 and the cut of 10. So that's how you should read the numbers. Okay, so let's move on to the bottom part of the drawing. As usual, I always start with new sketch, line, and always start by building or doing the center line. This one is at the center, and categorize this one as construction. So we know that the diameter is 6. Just draw on this line with 6 diameter, and then they have another one similar, also 6. Press enter, and then using the dimension function, the length of the circle to the front is 38. Press enter, and then the distance between this circle is 70. Press enter, and then create another center line. So you move your cursor approximately to the center of this position, and you can see that there is a green dot appear, and this indicate the location of the center. Just click and make a straight line to the other side. Right click, select OK, select the line, and select right click and select construction. Select mirror, select the circle, and then select the mirror line, and select apply. So you can see now we have 4 location of this circle. Select done. Select 3D model, extrude, and select this circle, all 4 of them, and choose home to see the isometric view. But you can see that the direction of the extrusion is not on the right direction. As usual, click the function flip, and now you can see that it is cutting inside the material. The length or the depth of cut is 10, which is correct, and select OK. So this covered the first object that you need to draw for this assembly assignment. So I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much. Don't forget to save the file as the name Vice Body. So thank you.